Here's my complete wash day routine without pre-pooing my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. If this is the first time you're stopping by, please do well to subscribe to the channel. This channel is about hair growth hacks with natural remedies and all of it. In this video, I did a thorough wash day, not thorough as my usual thorough, but then it was also very thorough. So I started with shampoo. Usually I normally start with pre-poo. Pre-poo is first thing you do to your hair before you shampoo the hair. So I pre-poo my hair on days that I have time, and yeah. But on this day I just went ahead with shampoo. I'm using the palm olive anti-dandruff shampoo. I mysteriously developed dandruff on my scalp. I know what happened, but then it was still very mysterious to me. So that's what I use on my hair as a first step. That is shampoo. This method is to cleanse my scalp. You know, the scalp is oily, it's dirty, it's flaky. There are so many things on the scalp that you need to cleanse it. I used to wash my hair about once a month, or I didn't really have a regime. I just do it when I feel like it or when my hair is dirty. But since I developed the dandruff, I have been quite consistent, more consistent, like once a week, sometimes 2 or 3 times a week, yes, because I'm trying to treat my dandruff with a treatment which I'll be posting here soon or shortly. So yes, I go in with my scalp massager. This is also a lifesaver if you have natural hair. It's able to try and get some of these things that are stuck on your scalp. And aside that, it also massages the scalp, and massaging the scalp is very important for hair growth. It promotes blood circulation. So scalp massager is a must-have. You really need to have scalp massager. If you don't have a scalp massager, please, you are really missing out. So this is my first wash. I then later rinse everything out, rinse the shampoo out of my hair. And because of how dirty my hair is, I have to shampoo more than once. The goal is to cleanse your scalp, so there's no need to rush in doing it. You have to be gentle, you have to take your time in order to cleanse the scalp. So I usually shampoo twice. And how to confirm that my scalp is clean is when the shampoo lathers quickly than it used to lather in the first wash. So when I poured the shampoo in my hair the first time, it was lathered, but then it wasn't as quickly as I expected. I had to add more shampoo. But then my second wash, after I cleaned my scalp, as soon as I poured the shampoo on my scalp, it just lathered easily. Yeah. And you can also see that I'm using my hand to scrub my scalp a bit. It's not recommended because if you have long nails, it's going to inflame your scalp. So that's how come you have to be gentle with your scalp. I hear a lot of people say they have a sensitive scalp, but then they don't know what to do. If you have a sensitive scalp, it means that you should be more gentle with your scalp. You should do more of deep treatment. You should do more of mask that penetrates on your scalp to feed your hair follicles. So this is my first wash. It's now time to go into my second wash using the same palm olive shampoo. So if you could tell, this was really fast. As soon as I poured it inside, it lasted so quickly, and I was like, okay, yes, I can confirm now that my scalp is squeaky clean. Yeah. So my hair is 2 years. In case you are wondering, my hair is 2 years. My hair could have been longer than this or could have been shorter than this. All depends on how I've been treating it. I was growing my hair for 4 years, or I grew my hair for 4 years, and I really didn't even know how to wash my hair myself, nor how to deep condition, how to do anything. I was really just ignorant about certain things. So me going in with my scalp massager again to help remove the dirt on my scalp. You really have to focus on the scalp, but you shouldn't have to be too aggressive in order to hurt you. Right from here, after shampoo, you have to deep condition. Deep condition is something that I know a lot of people miss this step. They don't really know what the essence is. They don't really know the importance of deep conditioning the hair. Girl, you need to deep condition your hair. If you don't, you're going to really not see growth. You're going to be growing your hair for long and you wouldn't see any difference. You wouldn't see any growth. You're really not see anything. But deep conditioning the hair is the game changer. That has been the game changer for me, and that is what I always tell everyone, that anytime I hear any hair issue, I'm like, do you deep condition your hair? It's like I just pose the problem for my first question: do you deep condition your hair? So after my second rinse, I now prepare my deep condition. So the deep condition, you can either get an already made deep treatment or deep condition, or you can make one yourself. Sometimes I use DIY, but in this video, let's use this simple deep conditioner. So I'm using my normal conditioner. I'm going in with tea tree oil, and then I'm also going in with the last important ingredient, honey. Like honey, you need to add honey to your hair care routine. It's really, really very great. So I mix everything together, and it's now time to apply it into the hair. You can tell that I'm wearing a microfiber head wrap. I just want the hair to dry out a bit before I go in with my deep conditioner. And yes, you can tell that the hair is a bit dry, and now my deep conditioner is ready. Like, I'm really loving the fact that I'm able to take care of my hair myself. I'm not going to depend on anybody else to do it for me. And it's a beautiful thing, honestly. If you start it, you're going to enjoy it. Like, if you romanticize your wash days, you are really, really going to enjoy it. This took me about, at most, because I didn't pre-poo, at most, I really don't remember, about an hour I was able to finish. And I prefer to invest an hour into making it right than investing 30 minutes or 15 minutes into not making it right. Yeah. So that's how come I try to wash my hair myself. So after I go in with a deep conditioner, I steamed it for about 15 minutes and then just went ahead to rinse everything, moisturize, and then style. It wasn't in this video because not knowing, my phone stopped recording because I didn't have enough space. So yeah, that is how come I couldn't film everything. But then this is the best part of it. After the deep conditioner, you really don't have a lot to do. You just have to rinse the treatment out of your hair and then moisturize your hair. So I hope this video was helpful and you've learned a lot. This is a simple wash day routine. You don't need to complicate anything, and you also don't need so many stuff. Yeah, I'll post another wash day routine of a full routine, but then I'll make sure I have enough space on my phone so that I wouldn't have to cut short in the video. So yes, I hope you learned something from this video, and do well to subscribe to the channel because it's going to be educational, it's going to be fun, it's going to be very, very informative. I'll be ending here for today. Let me know what you think about this video. Have you washed your hair yourself before? Do you think of washing your hair? Do you have any issues washing your hair? And before I end, did you notice I never used a comb in this video? I hardly use combs. Like, I have to remind myself to use a comb on my hair. I'm not a comb person. But aside that, I think if you want to use a comb, you can use a comb when necessary. Yeah. So I just wrapped my hair like this, and then I'm done and I'm good to go. My name is Lydia once again. Till next time, thank you for watching. Bye.